Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. With the coming up CPI, we see that gold showing very strong volatility. Now, if you look at the 1 hour chart, we see that starting with this move, there is every candle is green. There was a big bullish momentum. At the moment, we saw a pullback. Now, what I think that we could find significant movement due to again CPI coming up later. So before we discuss at what level we can buy or sell gold, let's quickly look at the higher time frame, highest time frame monthly, as monthly, weekly, and daily will give us clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Then we'll look at the lower time frame to see to find an entry opportunity. Now this is the monthly candle. Previous months you have seen that gold has formed this long wick candle. Now that monthly candle contains an all-time high. This is the monthly resistance. In the past, in 2020, we saw that gold has reached that level, and after almost 3 years later, we saw that gold has broken that level. Because the price has visited this no man's land, we can expect now further deepening on gold. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect from this liquidity zone for the price to come down to this liquidity zone, which is a very important area. So from the higher time frame, we can expect downside bias on gold. Now if I look at the weekly chart, where we can see that from the weekly there is a previous week a bearish candle that has equal wick on both sides, and with that equal wick we see that this week, once the market open from this level, initial drop, and with that initial drop the market has broken, created a new lower low from the weekly. What I think that this week, before dropping further, we may see that gold is trying to go ahead and retest this weekly resistance level, though the bias is still down. Now looking at the daily chart to see how the market is doing. Now from the daily, we saw that the gold was maintaining a bullish market structure on the daily, and there is an inverted head and shoulder here. The price has initially tested this support, and we saw that afterwards there was a consolidation pattern. Now with that consolidation pattern, what I think that gold might break this series of lower high. So if we look at here, we see gold is maintaining series of lower high in that level where there is daily series of lower high. And what we can expect on gold, what I think that after pullback may try to break this high, and then we can expect for the price to come down to retest this level. If you are expecting that gold to come down to this monthly support. Now looking at the intraday perspective, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, where we see that there is a channel here from the 4 hour time frame, and we can look at from the 1 hour to see a bit more clearer picture of that channel. And we see that in this channel on gold, this is a bearish channel. The price, whenever broken out of this channel, we saw that a breakdown, and then again whenever the price is going to the resistance, we see that a complete drop to this support level. Now with that drop, what I think that now, as you can see, there was a big bullish move early today. This is a complete bullish impulse, and last 2 hours we have seen a pullback. If we take our Fibonacci from starting of this move to the end of the move, we see that gold has come down to 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is also aligning with the 1 hour 20 EMA, and also with this doji is a very strong level of support. And from that support we see gold is trying to bounce up. Now what I think that gold may try to go ahead and retest this level. So this could be the pathway on gold for this potential move later today and in the upcoming days, as long-term bias is down. Short term we see an upside. So let's see now on the 15-minute chart to see where we can find trading opportunity. Now as you can see, there is a crossover of 10 and 20 EMA on the 15 minutes. It is a very strongly bull market from the 15 minutes perspective. So as we see, the market is trying to pick up to this level. I will be waiting for a very strong liquidity grab from this support level. As you can see, this is a swing low, and from this level, if we see that gold has given us suitable entry opportunity, we will look for this short-term bullish move to this resistance level. And with the CPI, we might find later today selling opportunity. But for me at the moment, I will look for buying unless gold has broken this high and then has given us another price action confirmation for this sell movement. I will keep you updated during the live session or with further analysis. If you enjoy this analysis, then like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.